Want to know how to remove background noise and echo from your audio? Check this out. Hi, this is Alex from MASV, the fastest way to deliver your large media files online. When you sign up with MASV today, you'll get 100 gigabytes free to send all your files anywhere you want. I'll leave you the link in the description box below. Go and get it. So, background noise. We all have had problems with it at some point in our lives. Sometimes it's the sound of the fridge, the hum from the AC, the wind, people with traffic, or we have the good old echo that is a complete distraction from the actual point of your video. Let me show you how to clean up your audio and make it pop. Okay, I have here in my timeline these 3 different videos with some background noise. Let's go to the audio mode here at the top. On the right, in the Essential Sound panel, select Dialogue. Then, let's open the Repair tab. Here, we will check the box for Reduce Noise and move the slider all the way to the right to do the max.
So we're here in Vancouver, BC.
You don't want to do the highest, as it can distort your voice. Move the slider to the left to reduce the intensity of the noise reduction. We will leave it somewhere around the middle.
So we're here in Vancouver, BC.
Yeah, that sounds more natural. If it's a humming sound, you can also try the dehummer here by itself or combine it with the reduced noise. Okay, in this second clip, there's a lot of wind. Select it, click on the dialogue again, and this time we will use the reduce noise and reduce rumble. These ones help better with this kind of sound. Sweet! The last clip I have here has a strong echo. Again, select it, then dialogue, and now we will use the reduce reverb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This effect can really distort your voice, and now we're missing that quality that makes it crisp. To compensate in any of these cases, when you remove the background noise or the echo, you can go down here and check the dynamics for clarity and adjust it. You can also select a preset from this drop-down menu to add to your audio, depending on what quality it's missing. The vocal presence and podcast voice work well to bring back a bit of that strength. If you feel that some of the high or low tones have been muffled by the effects we did up here, you can also check Enhanced Speech to help either one of those tones to pop up more. Let's go to the Effects Control tab. You will see here that now we have some audio effects. They add automatically when we play around in the Essentials audio section. Another way to clean up your audio is to go to the Effects tab and look for the specific audio effects you need. You can add the denoiser, the reverb, the hummer, etc. These will be the same effects that were added automatically before in the audio mode. Let's use this example. It has some background noise and a little bit of reverb. I'm going to add the denoiser and the reverb. And in the Effects Control panel, I can click on this Edit button, and this new window will appear. From the preset drop-down menu, you can select if you want a heavy or light noise reduction. You can also modify it manually from this slider at the bottom. We will leave it around 30. These lines above the slider can help you fine-tune the reduction by telling the software in which frequency the focus should be while processing the audio. Play around with the options. Remember that all of these modifications will depend on how your footage was recorded and where your footage was recorded. Okay, to modify the reverb is the same thing. When you click the Edit button, you will see a similar window you can play around. To make the audio more crisp, I'm going to add 2 other effects that I really like and really help me to make that final audio pop. The Parametrics Equalizer and the Multiband Compressor. In the Parametrics Equalizer, on the preset drop-down menu, I will select Vocal Enhancer. You will see the graph went from a straight line to now some hills. Now, with the multiband compressor, I will also open the preset drop-down menu, and you can find here some of the options that can make the audio recover the quality that we want. Some useful ones are the enhanced highs or lows, which we also had in the audio mode if you remember. Also the de-easer to ease the strong pronunciation of syllables, hiss reduction to remove hiss, and kill the harshness to, well, kill the harshness of the audio. You can also raise the volume and quality of the audio, selecting if it's for broadcast or internet delivery. Or you can use the pop master and raise vocals as well. Some of these effects can be too strong, so just adjust this vertical slider for output gain or play around with the bottom sliders to get your desired result. Hi, this is Alex from MASV, the fastest way to deliver your large media files online. Hi, this is Alex from MASV, the fastest way to deliver your large media files online. Remember to check your audio levels constantly to avoid any peaking. When you finish your video, use MASV to send it for reviews or final deliveries to anyone, anywhere in the world. This is the fastest and most secure way to deliver all your raw or high-res footage to your clients or collaborators. Don't forget to click in the description box below to get your 100 GB free when you sign up with MASV today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want more filmmaking tricks, please click that like and subscribe button and toggle the little bell icon. I'll leave you now with this video over here for you to enjoy. We'll see you next time. Bye!